Good medical morning. This is Adam, your host, and today we've got some great topics, including blackheads, whiteheads, and cystic acne. But before we get started, let's take a look at this mystery diagnosis. At the end of the video, we'll give you a little more information, but leave your comments below if you think you know what it is. So did you know that over 60 million Americans suffer from acne? 20% of those individuals have acne bad enough to leave permanent scars on their skin. And for some reason, acne is affecting adults more and more often over the past decade. And according to acneease.com, 14% of acne sufferers have considered suicide as a result of their skin condition. 99% of acne sufferers will have acne on their face. 60% will have it on their back and lower back. Furthermore, Americans will spend about $3 billion this year trying to treat their acne. Remember this image? Well, the dermatologist who presented it said it was an individual who was 50 years old with hepatitis and diabetes. If you've watched this far into the video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Then click the bell next to the subscribe button. It's the only way to get all of our updates. Our age-restricted videos, our best videos, won't show up in your feed unless you click the bell. Also check out this amazing 7-piece comedone extractor kit. It's the absolute best we've found on Amazon. All the pieces are absolutely amazing quality.